From Chumpon, we took the ferry to the beautiful island of Koh Tao, one of the most popular islands to get your diving paddy. Besides diving, there's a lively night scene, beautiful beaches to visit, and it's fun to rent a scooter and drive around the little island of only 21 kilometers long. We stayed at the east side of the island with our little private beach here. It's a bit less crowded here. If you want to go downright into the party scene, you should stay at the western part of the island. The first day we drove up to John Suwan viewpoint. This is situated next to our resort. It's quite a rocky climb up and the ropes really come in handy. It took us about 15 minutes. So we just bought a ticket to the Freedom Beach and then you can also go up to John Wat viewpoint for 50 baht per person.
Entrance for nature.
The view up here is really cool because you can see both sides of the island separated by this line of sand and trees. When you come down, you can visit the beach situated at the resort with the mangrove trees in front of it. When you go down a little path here, it's to the right, there's another little beach you can visit.
We just captured some fish with the GoPro as well. I'm going to do a dive and see if I can catch some underwater images as well with the GoPro.
We went up to the western part of the island, had some drinks in front of the sea, and in the evening we went for some green and red curry.
And green and the red curry.
The following day the weather was a little bit better, so we drove up to Tao Beach. It's at the other side of the island. On the way up there, which was really beautiful by the way, we thought we saw a dead horse. It was just chilling on the road.
Hey!
It's breeding.
Oh, kijk daar paarden. Een heel kleintje. I was looking if it was alive.
Yeah.
But here's its family.
Tao Beach is also a diving and snorkeling spot and you can go around the rock to see some beautiful corals and fish. You can just rent snorkeling gear at the little restaurant, which is all the way down at the beach. On the way back, we found some really nice food.
So we try and it doesn't. I asked her if it's spicy, but it's not spicy. It's only beautiful. This is the lime leaf chicken?
Kaffir lime pork.
Kaffir lime.
Almost.
Wow, chicken. Sorry, kaffir lime pork, and it's called No Name, and it looks like fish cakes, fish
Yeah, it does
cookies.
look like fish cake. But
Fish
it's with
cake.
vegetables.
It's with vegetables, and you had another option, and that was only with pork, or not only with pork, but we chose for vegetables because we already have pork. Try one.
Yeah, you can try.
I can try. Okay. Let's go for a.
No name.
It's literally like a vegetable fish cake.
Is
Yeah.
it nice?
It's very nice. Well, you know fish cake. Fish cakes are delicious.
The next day, Julian had his first diving lesson at Impian Divers. This is a Dutch diving school, so that's pretty convenient if you speak Dutch. They take you to all the nice spots like the Japanese Garden, Mango Bay and White Rock. Koh Tao dive sites are super easy accessible, which accounts for Koh Tao's popularity. Here they go into the water for the first open water dive. And at their first dive, they spotted the triggerfish, which is also very widely known here in Koh Tao. It's not the greatest fish to happen upon since they are very territorial, and if you come too close, they will attack you. So you hear a lot of stories from people who went diving or snorkeling who got attacked by these fish. So if you see one, just swim away fast as you can. They got very lucky because on the second day of diving, they swam through a school of barracudas.
All rocks, like little rocks on each other. No, not little rocks. You got big rocks, but it's as if they were put on each other by a giant. Yeah.
Thailand เขาเรียกว่าโอ
Oh.
yes ฟิตโอ
And this?
ฟิตโอ yes อันนี้กามากุดา
Kamagura.
กามากุดา
Barracuda.
yes and Kamakuda the black
Yeah, yeah.
and have the Kamakuda to time and to the name
Oh, nice.
Kamakuda and
White snappery.
Koh Tao has lots of bars and parties going on at the west part of the island, and you can also do the famous bar crawl, which we skipped. But there are lots of bars and restaurants to choose from. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And hopefully we see you at the next one.